Today I'm going to be unboxing this Sylvanian Families Treehouse.
This set is connectable and you can combine it with
the log cabin set that I recently unboxed.
Well, it's time to take a look at our box.
Well, here we can see our 3-story tree house.
You can climb the top of a tree to look around, ride on a swing, or go down the slide. Here is the combination of this set with the log cabin set. It says the slide is included with the tree house. Put the slide in the hot tub to create an exciting water slide. Children can use the slide to go from the tree house to the log cabin. On the back side we can see the functions of the set. The house can be removed from the roof and you can have a kind of like picnic. You can also put a hot tub on top of the tree house. There is a basket that pulls up and down, perfect for taking toys to the top of the tree house. There is even a swing to play on, and a hammock can be attached to the Wendy house. Lots of furniture can be placed inside. And here are all of the contents which the set includes.
And now it's time to open our tree house.
So here are some instructions.
I guess here is the slide, the ladder and some fences, and here is the collection catalogue, the leaflet and the storybook, some cardboard and more cardboard, this piece of tree and the basket with a packet of flour, another piece of tree, some more cardboard, the swing, and the main part of our house.
Well, here is the Wendy house. It looks very similar to wooden house. The logs look very cozy. Also, there will be branches with stairs and the birdhouse, these fences, the long slide, this pretty pink swing, this ladder, the basket with a packet of flour, which is kind of an elevator mechanism, another branch, and the main part of the house.
So now let's assemble our tree house. Well, you can see our tree house behind me, and guys, I just realized that I forgot to show you the storybook, the collection catalog, and the fan club leaflet.
Well, I'm gonna start with the storybook. I'll show you the text and the pictures inside. It calls A Visitor at the Treehouse. Then you could pause if you wanted to read it. And now I'm gonna show you this premium fan club leaflet that says that you can be part of the Sylvanian Families exciting fan club. I don't think that this leaflet is actual, it's just a vintage leaflet, but still looks very interesting. And I'll show you this collection catalog, and you'll be able to pause this video to take a better look at the buildings, furniture and animals if you want. Well, here's finally our tree house. I absolutely love it. And now let's take a look around. So here is the inside. So these are the two houses I unboxed in my recent videos. Today I won't show you how they fit together, but I'll make a separate video for this so that you can see everything better. Please let me know in the comments if you like this video. Please subscribe and bye!